this to that new skin look. If you have like any like dark spots or anything like that, what's up? What's up, YouTube? We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Officially. We're back officially. We got a camera, guys. Wow. I hope y'all miss me as much as I miss y'all. Like, oh my gosh. I just can't even believe it. I can't even wrap my head around it fully. Hey, BBO. Hey, PGG. Hey, unaffiliated. We back. We back. We back. Guess who's Bacckkkkk? Okay. All right. Enough. I'm back. Hope you got the point. So, in this very first video, my welcome back video, I'm going to be talking about a company called Perfec Tone. Now, I done been watching other YouTubers. Granted, I haven't been posting my own stuff, but I've been watching other YouTubers, and a lot of them have been talking about this company called Perfec Tone. It's a skincare company. So, it's supposed to help get rid of the dark spots. And some of the reviews I've seen on it, their faces look amazing. And if you know me, I've been trying everything to get rid of these dark spots. Diets, water, exercise, everything. I've been trying everything. Other products, whatever. So we're gonna give this a test try. They got the spot treatment. I heard that this was the beast, but we gonna see. So let's get us a cute little thumbnail really quickly. Go from this to that. Wait till we get out of that. But what I'm gonna do is basically do this first set on camera, so we can see the very first time that you wash your face with these products. We'll see that very first, I guess, new skin look. And then I'll take pictures every day, and then we'll do an update every week. So every Monday. So I'm going to give this about 6 weeks to really, you know, do what it's supposed to be doing. I'm excited. If you have like any like dark spots or anything like that that you're trying to get rid of, I mean, I definitely encourage you to watch this video. At least I can be the test dummy for you guys, or one of the test dummies for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we basically start with the exfoliant, which is the cleanser. Let's get this hair up. These glasses off. So we're gonna start with the exfoliant. It says, wet the skin with warm water. Gently massage a dime-sized amount of cleanser to your face and your neck. Use circular motions. So let's get it. All right. So face is wet. A dime size. Uh-oh, I have to take all the plastic. I told you I just got it, so it has some little protector covers over. Oop. I didn't want that to get in my mouth. It's probably disgusting. Alright. So a dime size. I hope that's a dime size. Hopefully. Hopefully that's not too much. Oh, it's minty. Probably the tea tree that's in it. think on the website I read that they want you to rinse it. Well, no, I actually think, I don't know if it said rinse with cold water. Oh no, it says, yeah, no, it says rinse it with cold water and pat dry. Not sure how much I'm gonna like that, but I'm gonna do exactly what it says. Okay. Whew. Do I look any different yet? So next we have to go in with our toner, which I'm not prepared for. I didn't even pull any cotton balls up. So let me grab some cotton balls. Not far. Now, I have super sensitive skin, so a lot of the ladies that I've seen, it does burn your skin, which they say is completely normal. Or let me not say burn, but like makes your skin peel. It's supposed to be like peeling off that dead layer so it can bring out the new layer. So I'm expecting that because I've used other products in the past that the same thing basically happened, but I didn't stick with them. So I'm only gonna use a little bit because one of the girls I did see said that the toner was what burned her skin or made her skin peel. So I just want to be careful. Granted, I'm expecting that. I think I've applied it everywhere on my face. And I still feel like my pores are open. Like, granted, I think cold water is supposed to close your pores, but I still feel like they're open because I can still feel like the wind gushing past my face. Woo! I believe next is, let's see. Okay, so this one you use in the morning, so I'm not even going to use this tonight. You put this on your face after you tone in the morning. This, we basically put this on after the toner directly onto spots in the evening and allow to absorb. Use as needed until spots are gone. So here we go. This is the magic treatment right here. I heard that this was the magic. This is what everybody's talking about right here. The magic. We gonna see. I wasn't expecting it to be that color. So, we got a lot of spots. So let's just put a thin layer on. And I'm gonna just tap it into my skin. I'm so excited to see the results, especially if it actually works. because I remember once upon a time, I'm being very transparent. Once upon a time, I wouldn't even go outside with no foundation on. Now I started using another product that kind of started working, but kind of fell off or whatever. So that's what gave me the courage to start going outside with no makeup or no foundation on. So, don't let it get clear skin. Cause I'm outside for real, for real. I'm gonna be outside having the time of my life with no makeup on. Alrighty, I think we covered everything. So I'll go ahead and take a photo tomorrow, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, as I continue to use the products every day. And then I'll do an actual video on Monday to just see what it looks like, what my skin is looking like in about a week, okay? All right, see ya next week.